I like it loud, but it has to sound good at the same time.
It's gonna do this.
All right. All right.
My name's Brittany Hake. I'm the broker and owner of Lux Real Estate, and I also own Lux Construction. We do residential and commercial remodels. I do love audio, but that just is, it's like in my blood. Like, we love loud music. We love good sounding music. I drive all the time because of what I do in construction and real estate, so having something good to listen to while you're always in the car is always a positive. I already have a system in my personal Jeep, and I owed my friend Sam a favor, so I told her to bring her Jeep up here to Creative, and I will take care of her with this new system. And I'm super excited for her, genuinely excited for her, and can't wait to hear it when it's finished.
This system we're installing replaces every single speaker in the vehicle, replaces the sound bar, actually adds a DSP to it, integrates in with the factory amplifier, non-factory amplified, or aftermarket radio applications. So depending on what's already been done to your Jeep, they've got you covered. Also, being marine grade, if you leave the top down, get rained on, or you do a little trail riding, gets a little bit of water on it, these amplifiers will continue to work and won't give you any problems. I want to show you some of the details of what makes this kit a little bit different than, you know, say other kits, or even going to a shop and having someone custom fabricate all this. This is set up literally nice heavy metal bracketry that bolts under the seat. Amps already bolted to it, connections already made. So this panel here, normally I have to make this, fabricate it. Rockford did all the hard work for me. That's the little details of this kit that make it so much different than everybody else's. One thing with this kit is the jack gets relocated to behind the driver's side rear seat. That's to allow room for the sub enclosure. One really nice thing Rockford did is they actually have everything blister packed and labeled. So you have exact details of your bolts, your brackets, and everything. Nice feature about this with other kits and other speaker installs, you actually remove the grills. This has a 4-inch speaker with a tweeter. What you have to do, there's a metal plate that goes up here and you cut it. It'll never go back to factory, which is nothing wrong with that, but Rockford kind of went above and beyond and set this up to where it's just a whole soundbar replacement. So this is the factory 4-inch speaker enclosure, but you're gonna get a lot more performance. The old saying, there's no replacement for displacement, that applies to speakers too.
Everything will operate just like normal. The only difference is your little knob right there will turn your bass up and down. See the knob that says R?
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
That'll turn your bass
Okay.
up and down.
Closer to it, grab the keys, baby, will you turn, please?
That sounds way better. I love it. Yeah. Oh, yes. Thanks, girl. Oh, yeah. It looks lovely, too. Thank you, Creative, Audio, and Rockford, for sure. I love it.